if you've ever had an experience in your life where you were facing a problem and felt helpless because of it, or you've had a family member or a friend who had a problem and you felt helpless to help them. I'm not saying the law can help in every circumstance and help with every problem. Sometimes you need a doctor, sometimes you need different professionals, but there are so many different ways in which learning the tools that the law teaches you and practicing law can help you solve problems where otherwise you might feel powerless or your clients might feel powerless. It's really a way to give voices to the voiceless, and power to the powerless, and solve problems.
Go for it. No matter what the issues might be, even if you have people telling you that you can't do it, even if you don't have support, even if it's difficult to figure out, the end goal itself is worth it. There's no mountain that can't be climbed. And I wish I would have had someone. I was very lucky that I had mentors in my life who saw something in me that I didn't see. And that helped me become who I am now. And it's those people. Now I realize who they are. They're mentors. Back then, it's just like, oh, it's just people. But I'm like, no, it's listen to them. Listen to the people. If people are telling you, do this, try it, go for it.
Students that are watching this have what I would consider the most valuable God-given asset that we have, time. They have time to, again, kind of rehashing what I said, to go back and say, okay, what steps do I have to take? Who do I have to reach out to? Okay, I had a major setback somewhere in life. Okay, I have time not to waste, but I have time to where I can dust myself off, stand back up, and still go through those initial day-by-day steps. And I don't like making promises, because promises are very powerful to me personally, but I will promise this time, if you just make the effort to take those steps by steps, you may not land on being a lawyer, but that grit and determination you use to figure out, yes, I want to go through law, and yes, I do want to pursue this path, will carry over into whatever you choose to do. We all have amazing talents in this world, and it's our responsibility to find the best way to utilize them.
There's more than just criminal law. I think people kind of just assume when you're talking about lawyers, you're just talking about criminal prosecutors, defense attorneys, because that's the cool, exciting stuff that we get to see, on our favorite TV shows and such like that. But there are a bunch of careers outside of just being a criminal attorney. For instance, like I'm a civil attorney. I deal with personal disputes or disputes with companies and such and you don't have to be a litigator. I mean, I personally think litigation is the most fun out of the options, but I understand not everyone likes that. Not everyone likes to do public speaking or feels comfortable doing that. So I would just say there are a bunch of other there are a bunch of other things you can do with a JD, with a law degree, that are not what you traditionally think of always being a courtroom or anything like that.
It's not always going to be easy, and it's not always going to be fun, but there are plenty of times that it is really fun, and sometimes it is easy. It comes to you. Once you get it, you get it. Once you don't, you just need to work maybe a little bit harder and ask for the help, so it does make sense and it becomes easier.
It's not going to be easy. Law school was not easy, but it was fun. Studying for the bar was not easy, but getting your license, that's a great accomplishment. Passing the bar, that's a great accomplishment. When you get down and you're feeling down, you have to remember, why did I start doing this in the first place? Because you'll need that to keep you going. No man is an island, so get some friends. Get some people to help you along the way, and I'm pretty sure you'll be just fine.